Bear, stop the video. Hey guys, it's me, Connor, and I'm back, and I got some Nerf guns with me. Oh, some of my Nerf gun collection with me. So let's get started. So the first gun I'm going to be revealing is the Rival Nerf Red Team Apollo. Take that thing back, fire it. I don't know where my mag is or the bullets. I just found my gun. There we go. Here's the Apollo. Get out of my video.
Hey!
You made a too long video, though.
I stopped it.
No, you didn't. You made a too long video. There's the first one.
Oh,
And I got
I just swiped again, then it stopped.
a Nerf machete. You can put it in your bag
Okay, guys.
for a Nerf war.
Hello, it's me.
Take it out. If you're out of ammo,
if you're out of
take it out. Beat everybody up. First one. This is the second one. Here's the Zombie Strike Cross Cut. So there's a trigger right here. There's two triggers. The one that's right here is for the saw blade. So when you push that down, saw blade spins. But you have to pull this back, then if this trigger, fire it. Don't know where some bullets are. Hey Bear, can I use one of your bullets for a second?
Yeah, here's them.
Thanks. So my brother just gave me some of his bullets. So it holds two bullets. Hold back, fire.
Whoa!
That was the first one. Fire it. Second one.
Whoa!
That's the cross cut. Next one, double strike. It holds two bullets. Hold this one on the top. Oh, this one doesn't work in there. Hey, Bear, can I use your white one for a second?
You?
Thank you, Bear. And you use this one. So you fire it. That was the first one. I don't even know what. Then you pull that down again. Fire it.
Oh, there it is. It went right here. It went right here.
There we go. Woo. Okay, so that's a double strike. Thanks, Bear. This doesn't even work in there.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, yeah, it does. No, it doesn't.
Here.
Oh, thank you. That is the cross strike. I didn't even shoot out good. Okay, so that's the cross strike. Oh, not the cross strike, the double strike. Hit, that's the double strike. Okay, so here is the,
It's taking
what is it called?
a long time.
I forget what it's called.
Wow.
Here, I'll just tell you the name. It's called the
Come on.
Triad.
Come on.
And it's from Elite
My
Triad
video's
EX3. Because you made a too long video, Bear. Bear made a too long video. Here, so
I have a lot of videos.
Well, we gotta delete some then.
I forget what it's called, but it's just like the Jolt. You do the same thing. Three. I hope 3 minutes. Oh, and speaking of the Jolt, I'm actually reviewing the Jolt today. So here's the Jolt. Oh, now I know what it's called. This is called the Jolt Reskin.
I have a lot of videos.
There we go.
I have a lot
This
of...
is the Jolt. If you're going in there for, got pants on, got a lot of socks on, slip it in your sock, have a bullet in it. Ooh, thanks, Bear. So you can have a bullet in it, slip it in your sock. And when you're out of bullets on all your ammo, all your guns, just fire it, and then they die in the Nerf floor. So,
And this one shoots far.
that doesn't even shoot out of it, Bear. Okay, so this is the Jolt.
Ooh. Did you
Da, 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 da. This is the gun that shoots 2 bullets at a time. Hold 2, 4, 6, 8 bullets. This gun holds 8 bullets. It is called the Rocket 2x4. So here's the next one. It is called the strong arm. Ouch! It is called the strong arm. Is that bad?
Oh, yay! A little one.
Hey, that's for my video, Bear.
I need it.
It's for my video.
There.
It's for my video.
Get that.
I need it.
Let him choose it for his video, then he'll get it back to you.
Don't throw it, Ethan. I said don't throw it.
Hey guys, I'm back. So here's this one. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Just pull that back. Hold 2 bullets, boom, and 1. Put that back, fire. Back to this one. This shoots 6 bullets, and when you're out of darts, just you press this. So you press this button, out, spin it, put them all in,
Oh, God.
push it back in.
Oh, never mind.
This is called the Fire Strike.
Why?
Elite.
Whoa!
It's called the Fire Strike Elite. I think this is actually called the
that
Night
thing went
Finder.
high.
I think this is called the Night Finder, but they just say Fire Strike.
My name is Phil William Thomas.
My name is Bear William Thomas.
And I have a
Been
gun
really
and a
tall.
bullet.
And ow! Bear! Stop!
Bear, come sit on the couch for 5 minutes.
Oh,
Bear just shot me with a Nerf gun in the face!
Come sit down on the couch for 5 minutes.
Here is a Rebel Nerf bow. Got this for my mom. She didn't want it, so
Why you
I
gonna,
had
why
it.
you gonna stop hurting your dog?
But it's pretty cool. Here's the Rapid Strike. So you see this right here. Pull that back to rev it up, and then this big one. Fire it. This hits. I put the mag in that has 6 darts, and you, whenever you're out of ammo, so press this one right here and take it out. I got this for Christmas when I was like, for a second when I was like 4 years old. Pretty awesome. It has an aimer on it. Shoot it. Here's this one. I don't even know what it's called. And it looks like you're gonna break it, but you're not. That's how you open it and put the bullet in. Then you put the bullet in, do that, cock it back, fire it. And I also have another one of these that I shall review. So here's the other one. No, it's kind of different because it has this on it. Take that off. Now it doesn't. Do wheel. And you can take this off, but this one is too hard to take. Told you. So I'm just gonna put this one on this one. Broadway. Aha, I got it. Fire. Here's those. Almost done. Here is the Zombie Strike. Comment down below what is this, because I forget the name of this. And it is, what is it? The Double Strike reskin. I forget what this skin is called. So comment down below which one of this is called. On to the next one. I only got 2 more guns left. Well, one guy the Zombie Strike Chainsaw, which I'm going to review first. Here's a Zombie Strike Chainsaw. You can do this with it. And you can also mom when you're ready to go. Because it has this thing on it, so if you put that on it, give you an example. There we go. And look it. It's awesome. It's a pistol with a chainsaw on it. Awesome, right?
Okay.
And here is the last one. It's a measure jug.
2 minutes. 2 more minutes, Bear.
Called the Bit Shack.
What are you not going to do?
Pull it back, prime it down, pull it in there, and then you need to hold the bullet right here. Then prime it down, pull it, and shoot it. Out of ammo, put it back in, prime it down, fire. Okay guys, so that's the end of my video. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay sneaky. Stay awesome. And stay ninja.